Hello and welcome. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm wearing my apron because I've been cooking, and you are here today because you need to find out where the saucepans, the cutlery and the broom are in my kitchen. To do so, you will have somebody to help you. Alejandro, can you come and help my students? Alejandro is my son.
Hello!
Hello! Now come here. Please tell my students where the saucepans are. Where are the saucepans?
The saucepans are there.
Okay, show us the saucepans. Take it out, please. And show it to my students. Come on, show the saucepans. What is that, Alejandro?
A saucepan.
Okay, very good. This is a saucepan. Now, Alejandro, you need to find the broom. Where is the broom? Take the broom, please. All right, show it.
This is the broom.
This is the broom. What do you sweep with the broom?
The floor.
The floor, yes. Alejandro likes sweeping the floor. Very good. And Alejandro, now the last thing. Where is the cutlery? Give me the broom, please. Stop sweeping the floor. It's enough. Okay, it's enough. Now, you need to help me again. Where is the cutlery? Where is
The cutlery is over there.
Okay, where is it? What can you find there in the drawer?
Fork.
Fork. What else? We've got forks.
Spoon.
Sorry?
Spoon.
Spoons. And what is that?
Knife.
A knife. Very good. Okay. Thank you very much for helping me. Now, Alejandro, just one last question. What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock? Oh, yes, it's 4 o'clock. Now, 4 o'clock is tea time. So now we are going to say goodbye because we are going to prepare some tea. And also we are going to have an English cake. Goodbye.
Goodbye.